welcome back to another video. Alazkaplays here. And today I will host an MEP. The song is called Candy Cane Lane by our favorite singer, Sia. Okay, so here's all the parts.
Take a trip down Candy Cane Lane with me. It's the cutest thing I swear you'll ever see. It's the best. So get dressed, I'll impress you with the colors of the rainbow. Take a trip down Candy Cane Lane with me. It's so magical, let's go there in your dreams. It's the best. So get dressed, I'll impress you with the lights and all the windows. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. Christmas is waiting for you. Christmas is waiting for you. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. Christmas is waiting for you. Christmas is waiting for you. Candy cane lane, bring a friend this holiday. Bring a friend who loves to play. We'll eat all the candy canes. Oh, candy cane lane, bring a friend this holiday. Bring a friend who loves to play. We'll eat all the candy canes. Oh, candy canes. We'll eat candy canes. Take a trip down Candy Cane Lane with me. I'll go Rudolph down to meet us in the street. We can dance, we can branch. There's no cans, 'cause here everything is possible. Take a trip down Candy Cane Lane with me. Let's get Santa out and get him on his feet. We can dance, holding hands. Ain't no cans, 'cause here everything is possible. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. Christmas is waiting for you. Christmas is waiting for you. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. Christmas is waiting for you. Christmas is waiting for you. Candy cane lane, bring a friend this holiday. Bring a friend who loves to play. We'll eat all the candy canes. Oh, candy cane lane, bring a friend this holiday. Bring a friend who loves to play. We'll eat all the candy canes. Oh, candy canes. We'll eat candy canes.
So yeah, that is all the parts for the MEP. So this is how you will join. First, so you just need to comment down what part and just wait until I approve it and put it in the description below. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.